So hello namaskar everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Ritika and today in this video we'll be doing a teaser of Gera on the Blue Kharadi, which is located near Mansri Badruk, Kharadi, Pune and developed by Gera developers. So in this video we'll be discussing about below points, which is project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before talking about the details, let me tell you first what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platform, if you're just doing an inquiry, your number will be shared with different brokers, resulting a lot of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home directly with the developer through Housey. तो चलिए अब हम बढ़ते हैं हमारे प्रोजेक्ट ओवरव्यू की तरफ. Gera on the Blue will be constructed on 7.5 acres of land parcel consisting of 6 towers. Each tower will be having ground plus 33 floors with 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 4 BHK premium residences. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट के लोकेशन और कनेक्टिविटी की. तो प्रोजेक्ट इज जस्ट लोकेटेड नियर इयन IT पार्क रोड, खराड़ी, पुणे. और अगर हम कनेक्टिविटी की बात करते हैं तो यू कैन ऑल्सो कनेक्ट इयन IT पार्क विद इन 2.8 किलोमीटर, रिलायंस स्मार्ट विद इन 4.5 किलोमीटर and Mundwa Kharadi Road within 4.2 km. And now coming to the amenities part of the project has 20 plus luxurious amenities like gym, clubhouse, kids play area, jogging track and many more. And now moving forward towards the carpet area of the project, Gera on the Blue has 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 4 BHK premium residences and 3 BHK starting from 10802 1389 square feet and 3.5 BHK starting from 1600 square feet and 4 BHK starting from 2200 square feet carpet area. And now let's discuss about the booking process of the project. Our booking windows is open now. Clients can come and visit the site also. Our sales team will explain you the complete project along with the 3D model and will share the payment and pricing schemes also along with the location of the project. And then if clients like the project, we can continue with the booking process also. So everyone, this was the teaser of Gera on the Blue Kharadi, which is located near Mansri Badruk, Kharadi, Pune and developed by Gera developers. और अगर आपने ये लोकेशन में कोई प्रोजेक्ट देखे हैं या देखना चाहते हैं तो do let us know in the comment section, and for more such videos click on the given below link and like, share, subscribe to Housey on www.housey.com.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.